Hi guys, you're welcome back again. Join me make this very delicious and super healthy vegetable egg sauce. And if today is your first time of seeing this channel, please don't make it your last. Relax and enjoy. So I'm pairing my vegetable egg sauce with boiled plantain. Feel free to pair yours with anything. It goes with everything, okay? So I'll just cut off the top, the head and the bottom. I don't know if that's correct, but I'll cut them off, then divide them into two parts before cooking. I already washed my plantain thoroughly. If you're getting this from any local market in Nigeria, you want to make sure it is thoroughly washed. I know what I'm saying. It is thoroughly washed to avoid sand or just anything that is not healthy, okay? So I'll just cut this into two parts, then set to boil. I'm going to be cooking this for about 25 minutes. So while our plantain is cooking, let's prep for our sauce. We have tomato, onion and pepper. And for vegetable, I have ugu pumpkin leaf. And to start with, I'll go in with my coconut oil, just a little bit. And then I'll go in with my chopped onion, allow it to saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then go in with my tomato, my diced, is it diced or slice, any of the above. So I'll go in with my tomato and peppers. Then I'll allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. So next, I'll add in my 1 cube of Knorr seasoning, salt and basil for just flavor, extra flavor, yeah? So after this, I'll just combine together, combine well, and I'll go in with my egg. I already beat my egg thoroughly. I added just a little salt to it before beating, and I'll just, while doing this, you want to make sure your heat is very low, very low, the lowest. Then I'll just cover this, allow it to simmer, and when it's half cook, emphasis on half cook, okay? So I'll just go in and add my vegetable, my already sliced vegetable. I'm using ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf. So guys, I'll cover this to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and finally guys, our healthy vegetable egg sauce is ready. Super yummy, super delicious, so healthy to consume. And guys, trust me when I say you can enjoy this any time of the day. You can enjoy this for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's super healthy. Please don't forget to give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.